Hi mateys, Captain Jack Scrapper here. Today is Wednesday, June 10th, 2020. It's 5 p.m. approximately Eastern Standard Time. Looks like our storms have passed this area. And let's do a little walk around and show you. We had minor damage. We lost power for like 30 seconds and it came back on. Our internet is still not working, but I'm able to use my Verizon jetpack to access the internet and download, upload. So, here we go. Oh. There's a branch hanging up there that I'm sure he's mad as hell at me, which he usually is. But yeah, the trees are on my property. These were out in the road. I pushed them into my yard. There's some more branches here and there. Be some cleanup. Not happening today. Oh, neighbors gave me some peppers. I had to go to Sparta rather than up there to the corner store. I needed to get some beer and some cigarettes, and well, guess what? The storm knocked out their credit card machine. So I had to go all the way into Sparta. Table, umbrella, and the barbecue grill got flipped over. Those branches were from yesterday's storm. But other than that, everything's good here. Yeah, the wheelbarrow tipped over, but no big deal here. But then I got to almost laughing. My neighbor's garage door, John. Now, everyone that's ever lived there has had problems with that garage door. I've been over there and helped tenants who were renting from John, you know, either open or close the crazy garage door. Well, isn't it amazing that somehow the wind has taken care of this garage door finally? She's toast. Everything's going to be replaced. And yes, I will be getting the scrap metal. And yes, I believe the insurance man was here. Not sure. But maybe I won't have to come over here and help with the garage door anymore. Gonna be replaced. A few branches down in John's backyard, nothing big. And that's about it from what I've seen. Did see some branches down in Sparta, but I didn't have the camera with me. Okay, just a shorty to let you know what's going on. Fair winds and smiles. May God bless.